Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. Mental health. This series is about confidence, part 3. You're more than welcome to look at my other series of true love, self self esteem, and insecurities. Today I look at rules for inner confidence. How can you get inner confidence? There is 10 ways. Number 1, practice positivity. Hope is a positive thought, process, not an emotion, that boosts your self confidence. You can always hope because God said we can hope and believe in Him and have faith in Him to reach what we should reach. Number 2, concentrate on strength. Use your strengths. The things that you're good at, use it. Use your talents. Number 3, step into your personal power. It's about trusting your own worth and not about using others or force or manipulation to overcome, but rather about realizing your or our natural state of goodness. Number 4, stop comparison. Number 5, speak up. You have the right to speak up for your rights. I don't say always fight and make trouble, but don't allow disrespect. Don't allow, don't take responsibilities for things that's not your responsibility. Don't get falsely accused. Number 6, do things your way. Be you. Don't decide, oh, I'm going to follow this fashion because this is now the fashion of the celebs or on social. Follow your own thing. You must be comfortable in what you wear. Number 7, ditch doubt. Oh, I wish I can do that. That is my issue is doubt. How many of us struggle with it? But we have to ditch it. We must split what is real, what is not, what is true and what is false, what can be done and what cannot be done, what can be changed and what cannot be changed. Number 8, let things light you up. My word. Allow yourself to go gaga and crazy with achievements. You got your job back. Hooray! Be happy. It's not it's not easy to do that. Or you got a promotion. Yippee hooray! I lost everything and I got back up again. Yippee hooray! No. Instead, we sit and sulk. We don't have enough. I don't know how I'm gonna make this month. And you see negative things and then you become negative. Then you attract negative. Start to really light up and celebrate your achievements. I got up this morning. I walked so far. For example, if you couldn't really walk, I was tired and depressed, but I got up this morning. Yippee hooray! I have a meal to eat. Yes, I have a meal. I managed to be able to have food today. Thank you, my God. Celebrate, even if it's small things, step by step, every day. Number 9, ignore the haters. No matter where in the world, no matter what you do, there will always be haters. Just ignore them. Or show them love and respect. If they don't show it back, they loss. But don't feed their hate. Number 10, give weight to integrity. Take accountability for all the actions and reactions. You must always remember whatever you do, have a reaction. If you're kind, the people will be kind. If they're not, then it's not your fault. But if you are being arrogant, you will get negative back. If you act with pride, you will get negative back. If you give with kindness, humbleness, love, with genuine, then you will get positive back. Follow, like, and share. I would like to interact with you guys, but please, no private DMs. Thank you.